Well, I could say this right now, but from field number 3 of Central Tech, it's NAFC Origami taking on the Misfires. So the Misfires are actually very, very decent. They're actually in 3rd place in the Division 4 standings. And this has to do with a lot of sense for NAFC Origami if they want to get their first win of the campaign. Anything is possible from Central Tech. 9:04 underway, and let's take a look here. Roddy, and then Eddie, and then Tino, and then Warriors as well. Vamos! Let's see how this plays out for all there. And Roddy right off the draw. Centers it for Eddie, and then right back to Warriors. Oh, that's off the glove of the Misfires keeper. Corner coming up. Timing again has been very dependent about the passing, and it would have been until Tito had it. Oh, there with a shot. Oh, that's blocked again. Lay right back to where Chris is right now. Oh, actually went through Roddy and it went wide. This is gonna be a long night. Wow, I tell you. It's just competitive right now. Oh, yes, and there's Roddy and Tino. Looking for Roddy again. It's Tino, and yeah, and again, look at it. And Mateo will take care of this. Perhaps even for Warts right here. Oh, and Tino, 12 there. And there's Eddie again. They got to use their speed right now. To Tino again. Oh, yeah, now the defense is a little bit strong right now. I'm surprised. Almost for Roddy. It's out of play. Thank you very much. And Tito. Oh, wait, what? Hey, not a bad idea. Figure it out right now here at field number 3 for Origami. And oh, look out. And Mateo will take care of this. It's been a while since Mateo came back from a facial injury. So he's back. Oh, for Voyage, he almost had it. It gets competitive here at field number 3 between these two heavyweights. The last time these two teams met, it was last season 0-0. Surprisingly, how it was 0-0. This is very competitive now. And a green light hit by Tito, and oh, look out. Off the glove of Mateo. Oh, yeah, but Eddie is right there. Looking for Tito and Chris. And then all there again.
Feet. Turn.
Oh. And Voyage is nearly having the ball again. Oh, green light hit by Eddie. And Tino. Yeah, look out here. This is going to cause problems again. Stop by Mateo. Yes. Down low for all there. And then Tino. And then Roddy again. Yeah. Look out it. Everybody has to trap back now. Yeah. Stop by Mateo and he'll cover this. It's just so competitive right now. And Roddy again. Oh, easy. And then way back to all there. And for all there, it's a down low play for where Chris was. And then Tino. Oh. Gets so competitive at the higher stages of the higher developments. Oh, down low play for Voyage. Oh, he nearly had it. Oh, look out for low ball here. Look out for the misfires forwards. Ay, 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 ay. And a green light hit here by Eddie. Oh, no, look out all there. Look out here. Oh, dear. Not again. Oh, wait, wait, wait. Off the deflection, off of the misfires. And Tino. Down low. Oh, and Warriors nearly had it. And oh, look how all there. Ay, ay. Out! Great play by Chris on the defensive end. Oh, not again. Oh, green light by Warriors. Oh, green light by all there. Thank you. How did I figure? It is Aliza. Out! Oh dear. Oh great. Yeah, there's all there. Oh, there's Eddie for Warriors again. Warriors again. And then there's Chris. Oh, easy. And then right back to Mateo. Right back to Chris again. Down low for Wuritz. Down low Tito. Ay, ay. Oh, and all there lost it. Ay, ay, ay. I thought it was out. And, still in play by Eddie and Roddy as well for Tito. And Wuritz right now is trying to figure out some options right now. Ah, shit, it's out. Look how level. There's Tito. Now the energy starts to get the juice flowing. And there's Chris again. And I think it went off of the Misfires player. And here's Eddie. Oh, and Wuritz was there. My, oh my. Oh dear. Look out, look out. And all there has to be watching him now. Well, at least there's no long outlet breaks this time. We've seen this before. Oh, green light in by all there and Wuritz. Oh, easy all there. And Wuritz is right there too. Oh. It looked like a foul on the Misfires for the minute taken lead. All there again. Oh, he got away from two. And all there is right there. Oh, wait, what? Oh, my. He used to have. Oh, dear. Look out, Tito. Look out here.
Turn.
That's how to play off of the Misfires. Chris is. And Wuritz is somewhere right there in the picture. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Careful.
Wow. Off the glove of the Misfires keeper. Familiar. Isn't he supposed to wear a red jersey? Thank you all there. Good work. Oh, long lead pass for Wuritz. It's a 2-on-1 with Roddy. Roddy. And looking for Wuritz. And Roddy. Oh, my. Oh, my. How could he not finish that? And that could have put Origami ahead. And all there with another defensive clearing. To Tato again. And then Mateo. 3. They've seen it from the last time when these two teams met on a 0-0 try. And it's very competitive here at field number 3. Oh, and a green light hit by Chris, and here's Wirtz. Oh, great. Off the left leg of Mateo, and oh, great. Look how Tito, oh boy. And look out for the long shot. Way wide.
First when you're ready for me.
Ah, great. Too far for Roddy. Went wide into the cage.
You're good, Maritz. You're good, Maritz.
Ah, there he is again. For Roddy, it's Moritz. Nearly had it. Oh, yeah. And a green light hit by Tito. He's got a clear right now. And where's Aliza right now? Look at slide tackle there. Yep. Free kick here for Origami. Thank you very much. For Eddie. And all there again. Nice. Okay, that's a good move. That's a good move. Ah, he almost had the second one. Well, actually, he did to Tito. And then Eddie. And then Mateo. Oh, dear. And into the glove of the Misfires keeper. Nice green light hit here by Aliza and Eddie. And Moritz as well. Another hit there by Aliza and Roddy.
Let him go negative. Let him go negative. Just deny middle. Just deny middle.
And look out for a long ball again. We've been having the same long ball as of yesterday. Oh, look out for the back post. Oh, yeah. Oh! Great save, Mateo! And cleared by Moritz. Oh, look out all there. He's got to clear this out. And the call is goal kick. Much better. And Chris right over there. Right there to Tito. And all there. Looking for options right now. Lay right back to Tito. Oh, then right back to Tito. And then lay right back to where Roddy is. Oh, great. And now look how Tito. Yes, Roddy. Too far for Aliza and Eddie. And look out for the long ball. Oh, yeah. Look out for the right. That smells trouble. Oh! Wait. Down low for Tito. For Aliza. Lay right back to where Chris is. Oh, great. And look how Aliza. Oh, there it is. Off of the Misfires. And there it is. It's going to be a free kick right now. Oh, beautiful moves by that big man Moritz again. Off of the Misfires, and Chris will take care of this. One-timer Moritz off the side of the net. It may have been deflected. Oh, nearly stolen by Moritz. Oh, thank you, Chris. I lay right back to Moritz again. Oh, dear. Whoa, look out. I did not. And there it is for Tito. Great. Well, there's about 5 to go in the first half. 0-0. Man, it's so freezing. I don't know why I'm feeling like an icicle now. They should fix the heater up, and they're not fixing it. Oh dear, look out for low ball again. The green light hit there by Tito. Oh, look like a hand there on the Misfires. My oh my. And Eddie's running hard to this. Green light in here by Chris. And another one. And right there to Moritz. Oh, nice look for Aliza. Aliza for origami. Hey! Wow, that's better. Thank you, free kick. What's this? Oh, that was a discussion. The shoe tying. All right, looks like Eddie will take care of this. Here he comes. Emma, it's a one-timer, a deflection, and it went wide. First half. And out there with another green light crunching it. Oh, look out. Oh, Derry. Great play by Eddie and Chris. Oh, boy. And clear by Chris. It's hard to believe. Believing. And stopped by Mateo, and he'll cover this. And for Aliza again, oh, easy. And to Chris. To Eddie. Oh, and Moritz right now. And look like a head. Oh, dear. Oh, what's this? A foul, I think. I'm not sure, but Moritz is shaking up. Oh, dear. He's humble, and Ronnie might come in. Yep, Ronnie, I think. Hold on. Let's see. Moritz, you good? Okay, yeah, he's good. He's good. He has a single thumbs up. Oh, stolen by Aliza and fires it off the glove. And Moritz is looking for option for the corner. Oh, what a hard shot. Oh, dear. Well. And Tito. Oh, and Aliza. Oh, and he had the open lane. But they keep taking their chances. NAFC or... Oh, great. Oh, look out. Oh, look out. Everybody has to drop back for origami. Oh, and guess what happens? A turnover.
Play easy, play easy. Switch it early. Nice. Keep it.
Oh.
Well done, Meta. Time. Ozzy, open up.
Oh, yeah. And now look out for longboard. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, all there. 0-0 to end the first half as Moritz had some good chances as well for the NAFC origami.